Going to present your demo of document management system in Odoo 14 Enterprise. So this is the module screen. You can see here the menu for documents, and configuration is the main part. Here we can see that what it module have expected features. We can use them. So it's showing the setting, workspaces, tags, and share and email and spreadsheet templates. Okay, so let's come to the dashboard and see. Here we have an option to upload documents and create a spreadsheet and request and add a link. We can add a external spreadsheet here or any PDF. Okay, on my right side I have my workspace where we can say all internal finance, marketing, and HR. There we can create multiple work spaces where we can manage multiple documents, and we can share them. Okay, so let's see some use case of document sharing. I am clicking on finance. Okay, right now I have a invoice of I'm clicking on it. Okay, so let's see the invoice. Okay, try it. You can see here is the information. Is right now is telling us the name of the file and the contact who created, or we can assign it to someone. Okay, that's simple, pretty forward. You can understand it, and who's the owner of it. I can change the owner and changing the owner to myself, and further we also can change its workspace and its tags, and we can add more tags, like I'm saying that's the bill documents. Okay, and we also can initiate a chat over here, and simply we can tag someone. Like let's try someone, like I'm trying to tag Marco and to check this out. And we also can schedule an activity on any document like this. Simply click on schedule activity button, and it will pop up a wizard with sub information like activity type, meeting, call, email, inbox, to validate, to request, or to do anything you want. So we can schedule anything on document base. So it's basically for a paperless environment for any company. So for the what you can see multiple documents on site. Let's click on create spreadsheet. So simply we can create a blank spreadsheet, or we will create some templates. Let's click on some blank and visits its interface. How it look like? It's simply a interface like standard spreadsheet. Okay, we can understand it. So here's the simple things about the spreadsheet. Let's go back and try to find some existing spreadsheet, so we could check out. Okay, right now we don't have any spreadsheet. Anyhow, let me show you configuration about workspaces. What are the workspaces and what their standard feature? Let's click on finance one. So it is simply showing the categories. Okay, so we can give access height on it, like I can edit it right now and assign some group to it, like I want them to be administrator, and internal user can only read it. And further we also have some action on this specific group, like I will show you the actions. The actions are like validate, ask for validation, move to inbox. These are the action. We can create some more.